What if I told you your body is solving problems, making decisions and learning all without you knowing it? That your stomach can think, your heart can remember, and your skin can predict danger faster than your brain can process it. This isn't magic, it's biology. And once you understand what your body is really doing behind the scenes, you'll never call yourself dumb again. We're taught that intelligence lives in the brain, that thinking, learning, and memory happen only up here. Points to head. But scientists now know that intelligence is happening all over the body. And it's not just fascinating, it's life-changing. Let's start with your gut. You've probably heard the phrase gut feeling. Well, turns out it's more than a feeling. The enteric nervous system in your digestive tract contains over 100 million neurons. That's more than in your spinal cord. Your gut literally has its own brain. It communicates with your central nervous system, makes decisions about digestion, and even sends emotional signals. According to researchers at Johns Hopkins Medicine, your gut produces 95% of your body's serotonin, a key mood regulator. So the next time you feel sick to your stomach when you're nervous, maybe it's because your gut knows something your brain doesn't. Let's talk about your heart. We usually think of it as a pump, right? But studies from the Heart Math Institute show that the heart has its own neural network, over 40,000 neurons that can sense, feel, and learn. Your heart sends more signals to your brain than your brain sends to your heart. Think about that for a second. And it's not just about emotion. Your body is constantly running complex calculations, balancing your posture, adjusting your hormones, detecting threats before you consciously notice them. Even your skin reacts to danger before you can explain why you feel uneasy. If all that is true, then who's really in charge, your brain or your body? Here's the twist. Intelligence isn't just in your head. Your body has memory. Your body has awareness. Your body is constantly learning and adapting. It stores trauma. It remembers joy. It reacts to patterns, even when your conscious mind is distracted. This is what neuroscientists now call embodied cognition, the idea that your thoughts, emotions, and knowledge are deeply connected to your body's systems. So when we say someone is smart, maybe we shouldn't just mean book smart or test smart. What about body smart, emotional smart, survival smart? These aren't just cute phrases, they're real types of intelligence. That athlete who senses an opponent's move before it happens? Body intelligence. That kid who picks up on tension in the room without a word being said? Nervous system awareness. That artist who feels colors before they draw? That's sensory intelligence in motion. So no, you're not just tired, just anxious, or just being weird. Your body is trying to tell you something, and it's time we start listening. You are not a brain walking around in a meat suit. You are an entire living intelligence, wired to survive, sense, adapt, and feel. What's one time your body told you something before your brain caught up? Drop it in the comments. And if this made you rethink how you feel, move, or see yourself, hit like, share it with a friend who needs to hear this, and subscribe to School Subjects Online, where we teach the lessons your body never forgot. Until next time, stay grounded and stay brilliant.